Summer inspiration coming right up.
Today I'm excited to be part of a Dollar Tree Spring to Summer collab along with my friends from DIY from House to Home, Rustic Chicks Design, and MB Gray Designs. I'll have their channels listed in the description box below. Now let's get to crafting. For this project I'm using one of the farmhouse wood rounds from Dollar Tree. I removed the beaded hanger while I painted. Although the outside of the round was already white, I decided to brighten it up a little bit with Waverly White. If you like any of these DIYs, I encourage you to click that thumbs up button and consider subscribing so that my videos and others like them will come across your feed more often. Now I'm painting the inner part of the round in ink by Waverly. Once the paint dried, I added the beaded hanger back on. Using a variety of Dollar Tree foam flowers, I'm making an arrangement along the left side of the round. I also added in some small pieces of greenery. Once I have them to my liking, I used hot glue to adhere them. I used my printer to print out the word welcome and traced it onto the wood using my sewing tracing paper, and then I used my white paint pen to trace and color the words. And now it is ready to hang. The next three projects are planters, but a couple of them could certainly be used for organizing office or craft supplies. For this one, I'm using 4 of these galvanized metal hanging pieces and 96 tumbling tower blocks. Step 1 is to glue together 12 rows of 4. Step 2 is to glue 2 of these rows together. I will do this 4 times. For step 3, I will glue 1 of the rows of 4 on top of each set on the short side as shown. Step 4 is to glue together 3 blocks as shown for a total of 16 sets. Once those are dry, I'm taking 2 of the sets and gluing them together as shown in an L shape. Now to make the frame, I will use 2 of the 4 block sets and 2 of the 3 block sets. The 4 block sets will form the sides of the frame, and the 3 block sets will form the top and bottom of the frame. I'll glue these together with wood glue. Before I glue the top, I'll insert one of the metal pieces for fitting. I used super glue fix-all to adhere the metal to the wood. I repeated this process for another frame. I will have 2 total frames. Now that I have 2 parts of the frame, I can work on the third side and insert another metal panel. I'm doing a dry fit before securing with wood glue and fix-all. Here's a different view as I attach the fourth side. For whatever reason, there was a gap on this side, so I did add some smaller popsicle sticks just to fill in that gap. I did not make a bottom to this piece because I planned to slide it down over an existing pot. Let's take a look. Project 3 is a simple white planter. I'll be using this rectangular sign from Dollar Tree that I used in a previous project, 2 of these square wood panels, 2 wood rulers, and 4 wood cubes. I'm going to give everything 2 coats of Waverly White chalk paint, top, bottom, and sides. I'm using wood glue to glue the 2 wood planks to either end of the frame. I gave that a few minutes to dry, and then I glued on the wood cubes for support as shown. And then I glued on the rulers. This is the perfect size to hold 3 of these colorful buckets from Dollar Tree filled with spring and summer florals. Project 4 is a garden tote planter. I'm using one of these larger wood crates from Dollar Tree, 2 of these cut off ends of paint sticks, and 1 spindle which I had from an old shelf. I'll be using Waverly Antique Wax to stain the crate and the paint sticks. I wanted it pretty dark to match the spindle, so I didn't wipe it back. I drilled 2 holes in the ends of both paint sticks, large enough for the spindle to screw through. I did make sure that the side that had the numbers would be on the inside. Once the spindle was screwed on, the handle was ready to be glued on the crate. I also secured it with a staple. A few Dollar Tree floral picks, and this project was complete. I hope you enjoyed these Dollar Tree DIYs, and I hope they inspired you to create some project of your own that can transition your home from spring to summer. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to share the chic. Bye now.